The new car, which is understood to have passed the national 6B emission standard of Dongfeng Peugeot 408, is equipped with a 1.5T engine and is expected to be officially launched in early 2024. The exterior design of the new Dongfeng Peugeot 408 adopts a new family style and displays a very sporty appearance. The front fascia adopts a family-style design with a blacked-out grille and a fast front end that gives a strong sense of movement. The central grille is also equipped with a blacked-out sports kit and a new logo, which greatly increases the recognition of the vehicle. On the side of the body, the simple and dynamic design continues with the sporty waistline, which extends along the entire length of the vehicle, complementing the low front and high rear design and showing soft and sporty lines. The rear of the car is also full of design. The transitional taillight design is matched with a set of LED lights that provide high recognition when lit. Various lines outline a unique style that fully demonstrates the romantic feelings of French models. In terms of size, the length, width and height of the new Dongfeng Peugeot 408 are 4750/1820/1488 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2730 mm. Overall, the new Dongfeng Peugeot 408 has a stylish and elegant appearance, unique appeal, and meets the aesthetic needs of modern consumers. In terms of power, the new Dongfeng Peugeot 408 is equipped with a 1.5T turbocharged YG01 model engine with a maximum power of 127 kilowatts. In terms of transmission, it is paired with a 6-speed automatic manual transmission.